भाइयों बहनों और मेरे प्यारे बच्चों को आज मैं अपनी ओर से गणतंत्र दिवस की हार्दिक हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। और अभी मैं आप सबों के बीच इस विद्यालय का एक शिक्षक, एक गार्जियन होने के नाते अपनी बातों को अंग्रेजी में रखना चाहूँगा। Respected Director Sir, Principal Sir, all teachers, all my beloved students, and all ladies and gentlemen, a happy and warm welcome and a very, very happy Republic Day to all of you. Really, it is a matter of great pleasure, honor, and respect for all of us that today we are celebrating the 76th Indian Republic Day in the SR Public School premises, Andodi, Pachamba. Today is Republic Day, a very sacred, holy and pious day in the Indian history. A day when Indian Constitution was enforced and enacted and India became a democratic and republic country. Today, we remember and realize the dream of Mahatma Gandhi ji, the father of the nation, the sacrifices of all the great Indian leaders, and the numerous freedom fighters who fought for and sacrificed their lives for the country. We can never forget the sacrifices of Bhagat Singh, Khudiram Bose, Chandrasekhar Azad, Subhash Chandra Bose, Ashfaqullah Khan, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, and Veer Savarkar, etc. I, Emmanuel Orban Sahai, a teacher of this school, and on behalf of this school also bow my head with great reverence and respect and pay millions and millions homage, honor and respect to all our brave martyrs from the deepest core of my heart, soul, mind and voice, and pray God to bestow upon us knowledge, wisdom, and strength to follow the path they showed us to build a nation, to build a society free from all discrimination and inequality. We have assembled here to commemorate the 76th Republic Day. We are very thankful and indebted to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the father of the Constitution and the main architect of the Indian Constitution also, for his endless and tiresome effort in drafting it for the sake, benefit and welfare of the country. The Indian Constitution is a legal document which defines the powers and functions of the government. On the Republic Day, we not only recall the sacrifices made by our great freedom fighters, but also remember all our nation's achievements. To our delight, today we are counted among the leading 5 military powers across the globe. Our country is fast developing in the field of science and technology, sports, education, finance, and have gained success in the area of telecom industry, agriculture, as well as space technology. And now we are emerging in the sector of IT industry also. Dear children, you are the future of tomorrow, the powerhouse of nation. You have boundless stores of energy, willpower, zeal, enthusiasm, and the power to mold the destiny of the nation. We, the teachers, are doing to prepare these youngsters for tomorrow's educated citizens. At last, to encourage you, I am repeating the quotations of some great personalities. According to Lord Byron, we must love our country. A person who not loves his country can love nothing. Our formerly President of India, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, has said, "We are born to love, not to hate. We are born to make, not to destroy." And lastly, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam writes in his book, The Wings of Fire, the day is not far when enlightened and ignited minds will transform India into a competitive and beautiful nation. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.